Welcome to Nonwoven Tech Asia. We are sitting in ATE stall, and ATE has a new brand launch, is Axis Valence. So I'm talking to Mr. Sanil Kumar, and we want to know about what is this brand about, how it is started, and what is the objective of this brand. Yes.
Uh, see this Axis Valence is a part of AT group. Axis Valence predominantly work on electrostatic to control the static electricity and also the surface inspection. We have surface inspection and print inspection both. And we also do heat recovery solutions and surface cleaning solutions also, cleaning products also. So electrostatics is a common issue any industry can face. And Axis Valence is already working on this segment for print and packaging industries. There, this same product, the electrostatic, controlling electrostatic, surface, print inspection, and some other related product we used to manufacture for print and packaging industry to control the print quality. So basically, we work on safety, health, and environment of the industry specifically. So the same product are relevant for textile segment also. It can be processing, it can be spinning, it can be non-woven. It's relevant for that industries also. Then we started looking into this market also. So we are working on this market for last 3 years. So we have quite a lot of installations of electrostatic products in the processing segment and also fabric forming segment. So now non-woven we are focusing on more of surface inspection and electrostatic solutions right now.
Okay. So, what is the vision you are seeing in this products, like only in the textile industry or other industry also you cater?
See, if you take non-woven, the end product, if you see, it goes to hygiene market. The end product can be hygiene market or medical related applications, or it can be automobile industry for the upholstery. So everywhere it is important that they need to maintain some product quality. So it's that application may be related to textile, non-woven, but then the application is varying. For example, the filtration applications are there, or if you talk about hygiene for the diapers or feminine hygiene, that is hygiene market. And medical applications, for example, medical coatings are there. These fabrics are used that applications also. So there it is necessary. And in case of PPE kit for the electronic industries, that is also there is also they want to maintain some sort of hygiene. So that end industry is wide. So we do application not specific to non-woven. We will work on the end application point of view also.
Okay. So, what is your innovative and R&D approach in this? Like, how do you innovate the products and new products?
We are the only Indian manufacturer doing this product, manufactured in India. It's completely in-house developed, and that does not mean that we are not taking anything from outside. There are some hardwares, some specific softwares we get it from outside. The core technology lies with us. That inspection, for example, inspection, or for example, electrostatic control, that we do, we manufacture. We have a development team, and we are focusing more on the further developments on that. Right now, the product, whatever we are offering, is meeting the expectation of the customers, required for the customer. It will be more like a product to meet the requirement of the market right now. Okay, right now what our development. Now we are working to further enhancing this, bringing AI also into this. We are working on that also. That may be the next phase. The first phase is that to give a product which will fulfill the customer requirements, current requirements. Then we are working on the innovation side also to improve, to go to the next level or the next level of developments into that. We are working on that also.
So currently your market is only in India, or
for example, textile, right now we are focusing only in India. But if we talk about non-textile, the print and packaging industry, where we have a lot of footprints already there. There we have installations other part of the world also. We have installations in GCC countries, in Africa. We have installations in South America. We have installations in Far East also.
Okay, that's great. So, like, what is your focus in the textile industry basically?
We are focusing more into the textile for non-woven side, because that These products are very important for this segment because of hygiene requirements are there. Hygiene and the quality requirements are, quality demands are going up in this area. So we are focusing on non-oven side. But the same product can go to a textile, other application processing industries also, on spinning industries also. We are working on that, but right now we are giving more focus on the non-oven side.
Okay. So what is your current turnover of this segment?
You are asking about Axis Valence? Or,
Yes, Axis Valence. Yeah.
Okay. So it will be in the range of around 20 crores right now.
22?
Huh?
22 crores.
22 crores.
22 crores. Okay.
This division.
Okay. So out of that, domestic is how much percent?
90%.
90% domestic.
90% is domestic, 10% is. We started focusing on export last 2-3 years only, not before.
Okay. Okay. So how is like you already said that AI is a part, and now you will
Not
be
yet.
launching.
Not yet. We see AI is very generic word.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
I can say it is part right now also, but what we meant by AI is that which can add value to the customer.
Correct. Correct.
That right now we are meeting the customer expectation as far as inspection system is concerned. For example, as far as static removal is concerned. The idea is that they want to inspect when the defect comes. It can be process related defects or it can be related to foreign particle insects. They should be able to detect. That the system is capable of doing.
Okay.
And it will generate a report also. The report can be go through by the quality control team. And if you want to do an analysis of the report and if you want to do a classification of the defects, there we can AI can help. That we are working on that. It's not yet ready.
Okay.
But AI is a very generic, so if there is no limit for that. We can keep on adding that.
Correct.
So we are working on that. Now, if we talk about electrostatics, for example, our product will remove the static precisely, and we can monitor the static also. Now, if we are working on that, if you want to do an analysis of that and specific time-wise and particular temperature, what is the static level, how it is behaving based on the temperature, how it is behaving based on the humidity of the atmosphere, how it is affecting this static generation. If you want to do this type of analysis, we are working on that.
Okay.
So that means adding more value to the customer to enhance their productivity process, safety and environment.
Correct. So what the message you want to give to the industry, whether it's a non-woven or an entire textile industry, why they should use your product as compared to any competitors of yours or anything?
See, first point is that why the requirement of this product, it is very clear to the industry. They need to maintain some sort of hygiene, so they need the system. So they have to either buy from a manufacturer from other part of the world, but the developed countries right now they are buying. Right now we are only one Indian manufacturer doing this in India, and we are able to give a solution at par with whatever they are able to get it from this developed country, the product coming from the developed country. So we are able to meet their requirements precisely. And the customer support, we are doing it locally, and it's an in-house developed product. So the technology enhancement will happen much faster in India, because one of the reason is that we know what is the requirement of Indian market very well. It's not like specific to other market. When you develop a product for entire global requirements, that will have meet the requirement of all the part of the world you have to take care. If you talk specifically, if you talk about India, we are, if you talk that operator point of view, the expectations are there. We are the product which is coming from the other countries unable to give that requirement. They will have a standard product. We work on customized solution. We understand the customer requirement. Then we do some sort of a fine tuning in the product to meet the customer requirement. We are not, generally we won't talk about a standard product. We try to understand what is the requirement of the customer, what type of defect they want to detect, what is the defect size, and what is the level of knowledge about this product. Some of the cases we work with them for 3-4 months to train the team. We can do everything online. We do through online, we connect, we will have a daily interaction with them. So this type of support you cannot get it from a standard solution.
Okay.
So that we work on a customized solution, and we work very closely with the customer, the quality control team, the operation team, and their maintenance team, understand the requirements. Then we take them into the confidence. Then we deliver the system. Then we handhold them to train them. Then we hand over the system.
Okay. So what will be your market share in India, your company market share?
See, right now, if you see, for example, if I'm talking about inspection or static in non-oven, most of the machines are coming from China or maybe from Europe. So these machines come with the systems. Okay. Now, what will happen that when that Indian, we have not come across any Indian machine manufacturers in this segment also. We are working with end customers for the new projects, so there they can incorporate our system rather than getting something from China or from Europe, from the original machine manufacturer country. That we are working on that, and also we are working very closely with end user to create an awareness how this product can be used much better.
Okay.
So that's the advantage they get when they work with us.
Okay.
So market share, it is very early to say because this market is growing in a very fast pace. This non-oven in hygiene market especially.
Okay.
It's growing in a very, very fast pace. There are a lot of new expansions that are happening. So in most of the applications, except few applications, they are not using surface inspection system till today. Only specific to hygiene they are using, but the same product can be used for various applications. So that is an untapped market also. So we are working on that also. So it's too early to say what is the total market size for these products.
Okay.
And what will be our market share, what will be the competitor market share, it is too early to say.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time and interview.
Charging systems. We mentioned that specific application related 95 mass application. Through the 80 and 95 mass to get any level efficiency 95 and above 95. We need to use electrostatic. And electrostatic charge the fabric that will be able to achieve this efficiency. We use the product for that and we use the supply for this application. Charging. Inspection systems are fair inspection. It's medical explained by pipes. Civil and fertilizing filters, fabric lining, which is used in our geotextiles. Here is to ensure that process related defects are to be detected, foreign particles need to be detected. These are